Hi YouTube. So here we are, and I'm going to show you today how to make your own compost. I've been learning about it. I've never done it, and I thought, now's a good time. I'm starting to learn how to garden, and I just wanted to know, how do I make that black rich soil everyone's talking about? I want to know exactly how to make my fruits and vegetables the best that they can be. And so I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do. I've been kind of watching other videos, seeing what other people have done, and I want to give it a shot. Maybe kind of come up with my own idea, and I'll show you how I did it. So I chose to put my compost in a place that's right by my back fence. So I measured out the space. I did 3 feet by 6 feet, and then that will give me 2 feet space increments for each compartment. So I started out by using my 4x4s, and we did 2 of them, measured them up. Right now we're trying to get it level, and there's also these little notches that were put in this, and this will help for the boards that we're going to put in there. So here is the chicken coop wire put on the frame, and we are going to attach the lid with hinges, and then we're going to add the compartments. So we've got it in place, and now there are the T-posts that are screwed into the 4x4. The boards are all in the grooves. You can lift up the lid, and there is compartment 1, compartment 2, and compartment 3, all ready to go. So there you have it. Compost ready. Now all we have to do is fill it up. All right, so there is the compost all ready to go. Lift it up, you can see the bays. 1, 2, and 3. When you want to get into it, you can take the boards in and out, and it allows you to get plenty of access to your compost. All right, that concludes today's DIY. We're tired, we've been doing this all day, but thank you for watching. Please subscribe, leave some comments in the comment section below, and let us know what else you want to see. Thanks for watching.